Hey, what's up you guys? In this video, I will show you how to use the AI anime filter trend on TikTok. So let's start. So first, you need to download an app called Faceplay AI Generator. Now, once you've done that, open up the app and choose a template that you want. Now, for this video, let's choose this template and tap on Free to Use. So here you will have two options. You can take a picture from your camera or you can choose from an album. Now for this example, let's choose from an album. Now I have a random picture here. Let's use this one. So tap on continue and it will analyze the photo, and this is going to take a few seconds. After it's done, tap on save. Now after that, go to TikTok and search for AI anime filter CapCut. Now tap on one of these videos and tap on CapCut try this template. Now this is going to open CapCut app and tap on use template. Now here tap on photos and choose your original photo and then choose the filter. Now tap on preview. Now from here, tap on export and tap on save and share to TikTok. Wait for it to finish exporting. And just like that, you now have your AI anime filter on TikTok. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.